Welcome to my IKEA visit. So let's see what's in store. Hi guys, welcome to my IKEA vlog. I really hope you enjoy. Here is one of their Christmas displays. So we've got these stockings over here, and then they've also just got this nice decoration all around here at the top. And I'm really liking also this chalkboard and just like, you know, getting all Christmassy. And this is just the table and some knitwear.
Last time it was different, now it's like Christmas.
Here are their Christmas tree decorations. So let's see what else there is. So we've got pillows and cushions, which are brilliant to relax on. They also have lots of bread sofas in store. These lights are signature of IKEA. They can be found all throughout the store and are perfect for Christmas. Here's a look at the back. This is what they look like in real life. I really love this table, guys. These fur coverings which are on the chair are such a great idea. So they add such, you know, a glamorous effect, and then they're also comfortable. So this is like a sheepskin rug, and it's so soft. And then these pot plants with the Christmas trees is such a great effect. It's like natural and also classy. lounge displays. This red table display has a festive and traditional feel to it. Some other Christmas display tables. This blue table display has a very masculine but traditional feel to it. This isn't really Christmas, but I had to show you this. So we've got the bed, and then it's really just this light. So here's a bite to eat at IKEA. I got some fish and chips, a salad and a drink. This Christmas-themed lounge is super cozy. So IKEA haven't forgotten the workaholics, and even they can get some stuff for Christmas. So you've got your presents and your cards, and then they have some tickle, and they have a stack. But not forgetting the Christmas tree. So this would be the office Christmas tree.
And IKEA has many Christmas trees. Here are just a few. So thank you for watching my IKEA shopping. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.